Hello friends, today we will learn how we can use if in Excel. As you can see on my screen, there is the dummy data. In column A, I have some name. In column B, I have sales amount. And in column C, I want to see how many employee are eligible for incentive or not. So the eligibility is criteria is if sale amount greater than 30K, 30,000, then eligible, otherwise not eligible. So now you can see we have two condition, like if greater than 30,000 then eligible, if not then not eligible. So in this condition we use if. So let's try by practical. So in column C, I am gonna use if. So firstly type equal to, then type if and bracket start. So as you can see in the syntax as well, logical test. What is my logical test as of now? So my logical test is if the sales amount like 17,704 greater than 30,000 then eligible, otherwise not eligible. So my logical test is if this value greater than 30,000, then this is my logical test. And what happen if the logical test is true, then it should be eligible for incentive. If not, then not eligible. So now you can see this amount is less than 30,000, so that's why it is showing not eligible. And select all the blank cell and press Ctrl D. So now you can see I am applying filter as well. uh, so now you can see if the amount is greater than 30,000 then eligible, and less than not eligible. This is the dynamic formula. If in case the sales amount is increased, then like say this is becomes 31,000, then it would be eligible. So this is the dynamic formula. So now you can see how we can use the if formula in Excel. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I would request you to please subscribe my channel, like my video, and please comment in the chat box on which topic you want me to make a video, so that we will learn more and more. Thank you so much.